Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Webull desktop application. Alright, so quickly, you just come to your Google Chrome and then search for Webull desktop free and then come to this Webull application or the Webull official website to quickly customize and see the powerful. Alright, so quickly as you can see guys, this is where everything and the magic works from. So it's a simple procedure. Just come here and then choose the download over here for Windows. If you're having the Mac PC, you can choose this. Then if you're having the Linux Ubuntu, you can choose that. So quickly choose download for Windows. And then once the download has started guys, what you'll do is quite simple. Come to the three dots here. Once you come to the three dots, come to downloads. And then you'll see the download running as you can see over here. So guys, this application is around 130 MBs, and once the download is finished, you go ahead and install the application and it will run smoothly. Otherwise guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet